Hey everybody! I'm making another video. I was doing this on my phone and it cut me off with the second candle. So I'm redoing this and I'm doing this on my iPad. But anyways, I got my candles in the mail. I did the coupon thing. I'm not going to explain that stuff because I did it and then now I'm doing this. So let's just get started with 4 candles I got today. Alright, so it came with this coupon. It says July 30th to January 28th, 2019. But that's great because I'm going to get some more candles. Anyways, so I was talking about this first candle. Let's do this right. Oh, okay. Anyways, I was at this. Okay. I was talking about this first candle, and this is apple cinnamon cider. Smells good. This will grow on me. I have to test it out and stuff. And then I was talking about this candle to cut me off. This is hot cocoa and cream. Woo! Yeah. Definitely smells like it is, and you can smell the marshmallow. My mom liked this candle, so this would be a family candle, or if we have a sweet tooth, we want to burn it. But it's kind of powering a little bit, but still a good candle. And next 2 candles, I'm just going to do this. The box down. Let's do this one. This one is autumn. My first autumn candle. Well, let's see. Oh, I picked a good one. Yes. Mom was like, there was a candle called Perfect Autumn, and it smelled good to me, but my mom didn't like it. Don't understand. But anyways, this smells really good, and I'm like, I need a candle. I need something that's light and fresh, and or not. I try not to get too sweet, but I don't have all the candles in store that I can smell. So it's like a pledge of getting this and this, let's see, and something else in that one. So yeah, I like this. Smells what it is. Smells like autumn. Very happy on that. Last candle, I already have downstairs burning. Well, not downstairs burning right now. But I had to get stocked up on pumpkin apple. I am going to stock up and get another one because the other one downstairs is almost out. So I'm going to get another candle so I can get stocked up in this. If this goes out, if Bath Waters does not continue this candle, I'll be so sad. And yeah, I really like this. This is pretty. So yeah, my baby. Oh my god, it smells like Thanksgiving. So, these are my candles, and I hope you guys like this video. But anyways, yeah, I'm very happy what I got, and I'm very thankful that my mom got these candles. That she couldn't get me on the buy 2 get 2 free because they're a regular price. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and this is my first kind of fall video. But I'm going to wait till September to do more fall videos and stuff like that. So anyways, I'm going to probably make lunch and talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.